outside and the night is cold. Everyone's
Hey friends, welcome back to the Rose House. We're ready for the most fun and functional holiday project, the ultimate Christmas hot cocoa bar. But before we dive in, I have a very special Christmas gift for all of you who have been a part of the Rose House family for so long. So I've been getting your messages. You've asked me to bring back my personal vlogs, and as a huge thank you for your support, I'm finally launching my new channel, Tiahna M Rose, under Tiahna Rose Vlogs. This new channel is where you'll see more of my family, all the personal vlogs, self-care routines, fashion, and the behind-the-scenes life that inspires the aesthetic you see here. The link is in the description box below. Go subscribe now. It's my gift to you. And let's get back to the decorating. How cute are these 2-tier snowflake jars? I got these from Target. They were only $5, and they definitely bring in the vibe for that Christmas feel because of the snowflakes.
Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today.
The girls were already over the hot chocolate station. They could not keep their hands to themselves. But this is the reason why I am creating this space. It's for my girls. They love hot chocolate, and what better way to tie in the Christmas season than a cozy hot chocolate bar?
Merry Christmas to you.
This beautiful holiday mug is from Dollar General. It was $5, and this is gonna hold my candy canes and my wooden spoons as well.
All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
I scored this beautiful metal box in Hobby Lobby. I don't remember the price. I want to say it was under $10 and also 50% off. But I'll be using this to store some chocolate spoons. And I'm going to add some paper in it just to make sure that the spoons are not touching the metal. Now, these spoons aren't individually wrapped. That was a little tickler for me, so I had to ensure that they're covered until the girls are ready to use them.
Now for you to come, it's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near.
I have another one of these ribbed jars that I got from Temu, and I'll be using them to hold some chocolate spoons with marshmallows. These were so cute. When I saw them, I was like, you know what? It cannot be too much. The more the merrier. So I'm gonna put these in. Now, I decided to add some candy canes to this, but I did not like the contrast that the candy cane was giving me with the ribbed design in the jar. So after I put it in, I was like, I'm gonna remove them and just put them away. If the girls want more, we have plenty.
To be given, how lucky can this soul heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
This one was a score. I got 16 of these cups in Ross for only $4.99. They were the cups, the lids, and the sleeves. I had to grab them because it ties everything together. And then I got some smaller ones. These were from Walmart. I got these for the girls, and this is just a little grab and go section if we're running out of the house. This Christmas tree dish was from Target. It's only $3, and I'm gonna use it to add a little bit more sweets to the section.
They are shining with love, listening to this song playing.
How cute is this sign? So I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off, so I got it for around $6.99. I used one of these plates in my kitchen decor, and I have another one, so I'm going to be using it as an actual dish today. And this is going to hold some Ghirardellis and Hershey's as well. This plate was from Hobby Lobby. I bought it last year. I'm not sure if it's there again. You can check. But this was the perfect addition that the station needed. Now, I'm not sure if this is a wise idea for my toddler, but with a little redirection, she'll get it. She'll get it not to touch without, asking. But this is just so perfect. I think it ties everything together for this station.
So deep, nowhere, no.
These mini scoops were from Target. They come in 2 in a pack, and I think they were $1 or $3. And I'm actually putting them inside of where I keep my teas. This station is actually a tea station. I have tons of teas in here, so we'll just go grab, and they're labeled to know which one goes in which area, so it will be easy for the girls.
They looked up and saw a star shining in the east.
course, hubby had to be the first to try out this station, and he actually loved it. His comment was like, yes, this tastes like it had come from a nice tea bar, and that made me light up with joy. The girls are still sleeping, and I'm sure they are going to take advantage of this when they are up and running. This is just such a nice way to incorporate the Christmas vibe with your family, especially if you have kids. This is such a nice touch to your home. You can add it anywhere in your home because it's that time of year. It is cold, so we always need something warm to keep us cozy and fuzzy inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please remember to go ahead and subscribe to my other channel, Tiahna M under Tiahna Rose Vlogs. You'll be seeing my family, you'll be seeing everything, the behind the scenes, and I know my real OGs, they actually enjoyed my vlogs. So this is your time to meet me behind the scenes. I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye.